Once upon a time in a small village, lived a curious girl named Léna. She loved reading more than anything else. One sunny afternoon, while exploring her grandparents' attic, Léna found an old, dusty book titled The Magic Book of Good Deeds. Intrigued, she carefully opened it and discovered that it was filled with heartwarming stories of children from all over the world doing wonderful things for others. As Léna read through the pages, she learned about Ravi from India who planted trees to help the environment, Maria from Brazil who helped her neighbors rebuild their houses after a storm, and Ahmed from Egypt who taught younger kids how to read. Léna was deeply inspired by these stories and decided she wanted to make a difference in her own village. The next day, Léna woke up with a mission. She started by helping her elderly neighbor, Mrs. Wilson, carry her groceries. Mrs. Wilson's face lit up with a smile as she thanked Léna for her kindness. Feeling encouraged, Léna decided to organize a small neighborhood cleanup. She gathered her friends and together, they picked up trash from the playground and planted flowers. Everyone in the village was impressed by their efforts, and the playground looked more beautiful than ever. Léna didn't stop there. She noticed that some children at her school didn't have lunch to eat. She shared her homemade sandwiches and even convinced the school to start a lunch program for kids in need. Soon enough, Léna's acts of kindness began to spread. Her friends and neighbors started doing their own good deeds, inspired by Léna and the stories from the magic book. One evening, as Léna sat on her bed with the magic book of good deeds, she realized that kindness and generosity were like magic. They had the power to change the world one small act at a time. With a heart full of joy, she promised herself to continue spreading goodness everywhere she went. And so Léna's journey of good deeds continued, lighting up her village and beyond, teaching everyone that no act of kindness, however small, is ever wasted.